Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Tradingview account and how to set up your profile. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is to go to the Tradingview website. Now you're just going to go to Tradingview website, and that's to create a Tradingview account. Just go to the Tradingview website, and on the sign up button, just click that, and this will take you to the registration page where you can enter your details. So the step 2 is to fill out the registration form. So fill out the registration form with your email address, your password, and other details, and make sure to enter a valid email address, as you're gonna need to verify it later on. And choose a strong password and enter your name and other details as required for the registration process. The third step is to verify your email address. So verify your email address by clicking on the verification link sent to your email. Of course, this is a security measure to ensure that you are the owner of the email address. And once you have verified your email address, now you'll be able to log into your Tradingview account. And the fourth step, of course, is to set up your profile. So just set up your profile with a username, as well as the bio and profile picture. Now your username will be your identity on Tradingview, so choose something that's unique and memorable. You also want to add a bio to tell others about yourself and your trading experience. You can also add a profile picture to personalize your account. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create a Tradingview account and set up your profile. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.